Hello, good evening, everybody. Hope all of you are doing well. Okay, this is Neha Joshi, and I'm introducing my brand, Neha's Sauces to Spices. We are into homemade spices, chutneys, masalas, dips, and multigrain flours, and so on. Okay, so from a corporate professional and a die-hard foodie to a budding entrepreneur now. So I take you along with me for a tantalizing journey of my products. So let me introduce them one by one. So first, let me take you through my masalas range because that's what is used by every woman in her kitchen. Okay, so I have a host of masalas ranging from goda masala, garam masala, biryani pulav masala. Okay, and then we have pav bhaji masala, the most essential ingredient of non-veg gravies, that is the malwani masala. Then we have the usal misal masala for the the spicy usal pav that you would like to relish. Okay, and of course we also have chole rajma masala and so on. Okay, so the masalas usually are packed into a double sealing pack like this. Okay, so that retains the freshness for a longer duration of time, and also helps you eliminate the repacking into a container again, so you can directly use from the packs and seal it back again and use it. And obviously, since they are very slim pouches, so they also can stay in your refrigerator if you like to keep them stored in the fridge. Okay, and then I also move to my chutneys and the dips range. Okay, so the famous dip that I have is the hummus dip. Okay, this is the Arabic dip, and I'm sure everybody would like to take it with their pita or falafel. Okay, then we have the spicy Indian dips, that is the Szechuan chutney. I also specialize in Szechuan sauce. In fact, that has been my first product which was rolled out of Sauces to Spices. And then of course we also have the pizza pasta sauce, all homemade again, the red chili sauce, the green chili sauce. Then I also have the tomato ketchup. Of course, that is a little seasonal product due to getting good quality of tomatoes. And then I also, all my sauces and dips, most of them are, as I said, are completely preservative free, and no artificial colors are used in that. Hummus and some sauces are made in olive oil, so obviously you can relish the flavor of that. Then I have moving to the other flours that I have. The recent additions have been the Thalipid Bhajani, which is a multigrain flour used for your daily breakfast, essential in the Maharashtrian kitchen. And then I also have the Upas Bhajani in that range. Then I have the Malwani Vade Peet. Okay, so for the relishing your chicken and mutton gravies, as also the Kaya Vatanechi usar along with it. Okay, then I move to my dry chutney range. So in dry chutneys, I have the kharda chutney, okay, with groundnut and green chilies, garlic. Then I have the famous Solapuri shengdana chutney. I have the lasun chutney, which is currently under production, so hence I don't have to show it you around. Since most of my products are freshly manufactured, I do not believe in keeping huge inventories. That's the reason why I'm showcasing the ready products to all of you. So the next one is the Karada chutney or the Niger seeds chutney, which is also known as the Khurasani chutney, okay, in the local colloquial language. And then I also have the Malga Pudi, or the dry chutney, which is used with South Indian fare, that is your idli, dosas, vadas, etc. Also known as the gunpowder chutney. Okay, so these are some of my products. And I also, for the coming Ganesh Chaturthi, we are doing a pre-booking of the Sugandhi Modak Pithi. Okay, and these are on pre-orders only, and the minimum order quantity for the Modak Pithi is 500 grams. Okay, and obviously shipping charges for all of this. So we are based out of Mumbai, however we deliver pan India. Okay, and only for the COVID restrictions currently we are not taking orders for hummus out of Mumbai region because it takes a lot of time for the transportation. Okay, so now the prices of all my products start from 100 rupees to about 200 300 depending upon that. So I am attaching my price list also along with the video for you to have a look at the range and the prices along with the minimum order quantity. You can reach me on 93242 75722 for orders, or you can also ping me on or direct message me on my Facebook page, that is Sauces to Spices 9. Okay, I am giving my Facebook page here name also in the post. Okay, so thank you, She, for the opportunity, and looking forward for serving you all again. Stay blessed.